Hey y'all, check out this video.
Okay, this is actually wild. I have a book here from the 1800s. They don't make it anymore. This is Dr. Chase's combination receipt book. Super strange. Medical, domestic science, law, and business. This is like a freaking encyclopedia. And it has what we never see books have today. It has some artwork on the side. But I opened it to a random page, which I have marked with this paper. And you are not going to believe what it's saying. This applies to all of us if you live in a house. So, fresh air. There should be plenty of fresh air in your house. Air is a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. The nitrogen serves to dilute the oxygen, which alone would be too stimulating. And they do word things a little bit funny here because it's from so long ago. But listen to this. In breathing, the oxygen is absorbed by the blood and the carbonic acid thrown off. Carbonic acid is a poisonous gas, so you see that a person in breathing gradually poisons the air. An average man gives off a little more than half a cubic foot of carbonic acid gas in an hour when he is asleep, and nearly 3 times as much when he is hard at work. Women and children give off rather less. It takes very little of this, about 2 parts in 10,000, to make the air unwholesome, or as you would say, close. Like just bad, toxic. Now you see how necessary ventilation is. In summer, it's very easily accomplished, as the open doors and windows give all the fresh air necessary. But in winter, it is more difficult. There should be at least 1,000 cubic feet of air for each person, and the ventilation should be enough to change all the air in the room 3 times an hour. Now, notice that today, there's all the main focus that they're doing is making homes airtight, making them super energy efficient. It's a scam. So look, how can you accomplish this? It is done partly by the heating. If your house is heated by a hot air furnace, there is or should be a cold air box so that fresh air outside is heated and forced into the room. The foul warm air escapes through various cracks around the windows and doors if there is no special passage for it. So you need to be replacing the air in your home. As I'm recording this, the window behind me is open. It is winter and the fire is freaking what word am I thinking of? Roaring, and that is a TV behind me playing a fire as well. So I have double fire. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, this is shocking. You need to replace the air in your home. People have their windows cooped up, closed up, and they have synthetic fragrances polluting their home's air. And they also have, let's just say it's very unfortunate how many people have all kinds of products that are off-gassing at all times. Conventional couches, a conventional bed emits or is coated with flame retardant chemicals, which off-gas for years. We need to be replacing the air in our homes more than ever before because of these chemicals and because we off-gas. I mean, you got to just replace the air, man.